In this video, I'm going to be going over what is creative writing. Creative writing focuses on elements that are different than formal writing and academic writing. Creative writing encompasses elements like character development, a narrative, plot, etc. Stories are infused with imagination. Don't forget to check out my kids' books that are located on Amazon and on Kindle. These are two kids' books and they are already self published. So take a look at them. And if you have Kindle, you get them for free. Now let's jump into forms of creative writing. You have children books, novels, graphic novels, short stories, creative nonfiction, screenplays, memoirs, plays, and poetry.
Please don't forget me.
Now let's jump into some homework. Write a one paragraph introduction to a story you want to write. Post it in the comments below and let's grow a story as a community. I'll start. And if you don't have an idea, don't worry. There's a question at the end of the video for you. If you guys are getting valuable information from this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe so I can keep pumping out this amazing content. Now let's jump back into the video, guys. Now remember, you always want to be writing, always be reading, and embrace rewriting. All right, guys, so here's a question of the video. Why do you write? Comment those answers below and let's get a dialogue started. Thank you for watching this video. If you guys want to continue your creative writing lessons, feel free to check out any of these videos or playlists above me. And of course, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys on my next video.